What's up, guys? Jeremy Clark here at Phil's Jackson on X, and I just recorded a quick example of using the automated strategies to set a multiple leg, take profit. Just went short here and now holding 15, which 15 lots, which you can see just triggered out. Now I'm going to go long with the 20 lot order. I can see there's a buildup happening on the DOM here. We did pull back a little bit, and then we already jumped right into a 5 lot, one more tick, and okay, that cleared. And you can see that the stop loss trailed up until it was almost at zero. Now I'm just sort of moving it manually, just to show you how you could kind of tighten up that profit zone or give it some room to breathe. In this case, I was hoping to capture a little over 800, but you can see there's a big absorption event that just happened previously at 1350, so that may hold again. And I'm thinking this is going to fail and come down. So I just locked in $700 profit to be safe. This is a sim account because I was just working on my automated strategies and making sure that this was all set up correctly. Um, so if you guys dig this video, check us out, Premium Tier Futures Discord. That's at Premium FTS on X. You can find me at Phil's Jackson on X, and hit the like button, hit the subscribe, give us a subscribe, and I will catch you guys out there. All right, thanks a lot.